In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to add and manage contracts for your guest in the event programming tool. Let's jump into the platform and take a look. There are a few ways to add contracts for your guest. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to add a contract from the event programming tool, but you can also add contracts that can be used by guests using the contracts tool in the home section. Go to the event programming section. Here you will see a list of all the guests that have been added. Select the guest you would like to add a contract for. Scroll down to Contracts in the Event Information section. You can upload a new contract by selecting Upload New, or you can copy an existing contract. For this example, we're going to upload a new one. Select the File Upload box to upload your contract PDF. Give the contract a name in the name field and click Add. The contract will then be associated with this guest.